Well, I decided while we had the box blade here at the house, we go on and do the neighborly thing and do a little loving on my neighbor's driveway over here next door. This old driveway got washed out real bad earlier this year. I think February. I think it's when we had a real bad storm, and it's actually filled in a little bit with the smaller rains this spring when we was having all them rains, but it's still pretty old bad. So let's take a look at it. Well, as you can see, got a pretty good little old rut and whatnot here. And on down here, it's really bad. This here was was a lot deeper than what it is, but you know, some rains washed some of the other sand and stuff in it. But right here, it's just, man, it's been bad. And a buddy of mine owns this right next to me. He actually built a new house and moved over into it a few years ago, and got another friend of ours living in this one. But that right there is that's just terrible. That thing's almost, let's step in it. I mean, that's over a foot deep. So, it's been needing done, and I figure why I got this box blade will do it. It'll take a few trips, won't be hard. Uh, I won't be able to get it perfect. We really need to dig these ditches out. These ditches always fill in over time with the old sandy soil. But so we'll run up and down her a few times, see if we can love on her a little bit. Maybe get it where old boy's wife can not have to drive over in what's supposed to be the ditch with her car. About need a pickup to get up in here. So we got the old John Deere hooked up to the box blade, and I reckon before we load it all back on the trailer, take the job site, we're going to do this. And y'all just come along a spell. Well, what we're going to do is we're just going to run it right down the edge of this thing a little bit. I don't know if y'all can see that over there. Not much. We're right on the edge, so we're going to just run it down the edge of the driveway. We got the box blade laid over just a little bit. We'll do this a couple times, see if we can't cut some of that edge back out of there, and maybe we'll pull it out just a little bit. Well, we're getting that loved on a little bit. It's going to need a lot more, but that'd probably help them out quite a bit right there. A lot better than what it was. So we'll make one more pass, and then maybe one weekend bring an excavator home or something, and we'll dig the ditches out for them. Well, so there we go. She's not perfect. Like I said, we need to actually come along. They come along right in here. We need to dig that ditch out. Same thing on this one right here. Those ditches just get filled up. So maybe one day we bring the excavator home off a job. We come in here and reshape them ditches for them. Be a little bit easier with that. A couple hours on that, we can dig that out and make it pretty nice. But that'll give them a surprise when they get home. They're both gone doing a little work, and I seen them this morning, so they'll be able to get in here a little bit easier. So we're gonna lock these gates up. We're gonna take the old Johnny and the box blade back to the house, get the trailer swung around, and get that thing loaded up and strapped down. Get ready to take it back to the job site tomorrow. Y'all have a good.